Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wolf. So in this video I will be sharing you guys very important analysis that you can't miss at all, and that analysis can lead to the top of Bitcoin. And that analysis says that the 100k level, right now the price is at 100k, it is the top, and from here the price of Bitcoin can dump. So is that analysis real? Will that play out? I will discuss each and everything in my today's video. So let's get straight to the point. Right, so here I am on the Bitcoin's monthly time frame right over here, as you can clearly see, and I have enabled logarithmic chart. So if I zoom out, look closely right over here. If I zoom out, I did share this analysis way long back ago. So let me just give you guys a brief. What exactly is this? These yellow lines represent Bitcoin halvings every 4 years. Alright, so these yellow lines are basically Bitcoin halving, approx Bitcoin halving. First of all, if I zoom in, you can clearly see the Bitcoin's price pumps in a straight line, then it dumps. Okay, not in a straight line, but obviously monthly wise you can clearly see it pumps for 3-4 months, and then the bear market comes and it dumps right over here. And after that the price of Bitcoin goes in a consolidated way, I would say, and a little bit bullish. And when the halving comes, like when the halving is over, the price sees a huge pump again, then bear market dump, and then again some consolidation, little bit pump, and then again halving comes, price pumps, bear market comes, and then little bit consolidation, little bit pumping, and then again halving comes, price also pumps, we see a bear market, and after that bear market, price right over here consolidates a bit, slowly pumps. But this time it is different, because you can clearly see price has started to pump a lot. I would say price has started to pump, and just before it's halving. So basically every time you will look closely, price always pumps a lot, like in a bigger range post halving, when the halving is over, right after the halving. But this time price of Bitcoin literally pumped in a straight line from this level to all time high in a straight line before halving. The price of Bitcoin made an all-time high before halving this time, because if I zoom out, you can clearly see every time the price of Bitcoin organically, okay, in special quotes, organically, why I'm saying that, okay, makes an all-time high after the halving. See, halving done, all-time high made, halving done, all-time high made. But this time all-time high was made first, and then halving happened. Why? Because of manipulation, because governments and big companies are now controlling Bitcoin. They are now coming into the crypto space, in the Bitcoin space. They are controlling, they are running some propagandas to save their dollar, and they are fully controlling, manipulating Bitcoin and the overall crypto right over here. And no one is talking about this, because people are literally blind. All these influencers are also blind, and I will highly suggest you guys to read the book Bitcoin Hijacking. You will understand a lot from that book. So because of clear manipulation, price made an all-time high before halving, and then the halving happened. We saw some consolidation for months, not even a dump, just normal consolidation. And right now recently price again pumped in a straight line because of the US elections, and it made an all-time high of $100,000 level. And wait a second, and obviously it is because Tether manipulated the price a lot, and that's how we reached $100,000 level. However, if I zoom out, look at this volume, tiny little volume right over here, and you will look closely, volume is not much. Like, volume is literally nothing. When there is not much buying and selling, that how is the price pumping in a straight line? It is because of manipulation. Okay, but the main analysis is still left. The main analysis is that Look closely at this cyan resistance right over here. This resistance, you can clearly see this is a very important resistance for the price of Bitcoin. Right here, rejected, and there are high chances price of Bitcoin will get a rejection from here. Why? Because it has exactly, if I zoom in, you can clearly see it exactly touched the 102 or approx $104,000 level, and from here there are very high chances price can dump towards the downside. But this is the main thing: if Bitcoin follows organic price action, then only we can see a dump from here, and the all-time high will remain as $104,000 level, and a bear market will start. But obviously that may not happen, because companies like Tether, MicroStrategy, and other big companies and governments that are trying to manipulate the Bitcoin can pump the price of Bitcoin all the way up to $150,000 or maybe $200,000. They can pump for sure, and in the end it will be a Bitcoin bubble that will burst, and millions of people, not even millions, like 99% of the people will lose their money, no matter what, how, for how many years they are holding their Bitcoin, they will lose, because Bitcoin will literally go to zero at that moment. And it is true. If you have watched my previous video, you already know. So yeah, I mean, organically I expect the price to dump from here. A bear market has to start from here. This is the top, and I'm not saying this, the charts are saying, but obviously it all depends on manipulation. We can't say anything, and it depends on Tether. If they continue to print billions of fake money, then the price can manipulate towards the upside as well. So this is the one more important analysis that I wanted to share with you guys. One more last quick analysis on crude oil right over here. I am thinking of going long on crude oil, but not right now, because first of all, we have taken many profitable trades on crude oil, and right over here, if you look closely, this pattern right over here, it is a descending triangle. Many people say it always goes towards the downside, but according to me it can go anywhere, down or up, no one knows. However, the main thing here is this is a very important support. Price is getting rejected from here, coming to this support, pump again, support, pump again, support. So overall price is decreasing in a downside, but this support is intact, right? So this is a very important support right over here, and if this gets a breakdown, then we can see the crude oil's price to fall very below. But this is the important thing, that price can pump from this level as well. This is a very important purple support zone from $68.13 to $67.15 approx. This is a very important level, and very important support. I was thinking to go long on crude oil only if the price comes in my range, which is at 66.88 to 66.2. If the price of crude oil comes between this range over here, from this to this range, I extend it from this range approx, then I will go long. But crude oil didn't came, it already started to pump from way above, from only $67. So I will not take any trade, but I am thinking to personally go long on crude oil only if the price comes in my range that I already told you guys, at 66.88 to approx 66.2. Let's see what happens. I will definitely go long on crude oil if the price comes near my range, but right now I'm not taking any trade. And when I saw the chart yesterday, I thought that okay, in the future, in the upcoming future, in the next few days, there can be opportunity, very good opportunity to go long on crude oil. But let's see what happens, and I will inform you guys on my Twitter. So do follow me on my Twitter, link is in the description and in the pinned comments. So yeah, this is it for today's video. And if you want to trade crude oil, Forex, or any other commodity, you can do that on XNES. Link is in the description and in the pinned comments. Or else you can just create an account on any exchange you want, no pressure promotion. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching, and keep your eyes open on the crypto and overall Bitcoin ecosystem and the news you follow.